Hey boss, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video, I'm going to be working with you guys to show you how you disable print function from your website. Someone commented down on my YouTube channel and said, oh my friend, I want to not make my information from the PDF format to be printed by some people around. So how do you disable that? How do you disable your content from being printed up from your website? I have some few stuff that I'm going to be working with you guys on this video so that I show you how this thing is done. Let's get started and then we'll see how we can do that. Now I'm going to just be using Sublime Text Editor. So I think I will be using Sublime Text for that. So I'm going to just open up here. In fact, before that, I'm just going to create a file here. I'm just going to say disable dash content. So we want to disable our content from someone printing it out from our our stuff around. So how do you do that? I'm just going to create up a new file. I'm going to just pick that thing from the desktop and I'm going to just call for that disable content from being printed out. I'm just going to be using it in the form of HTML so that you can see how it is done. I'm going to just call it as index.html if it's okay with you guys. So I'm just going to generate that, and underneath there I'm just going to simply say disable one known as PDF print function of content. You get? So this can be simple stuff for some given stuff. You may be having your information here. I'm just going to create some for maybe we have H1 or H4 or whatever, maybe disabling content from maybe using one on a CSS. I'm going to be using CSS to disable this entire content or any content inside these divs. If that's my div class, I can also create another div here to illustrate this better for you. I'm just going to call rem there to generate that given paragraph, kind of, if possible, for us all. And then I just end there. If I right click and I go to the browser, I have ability to view all my content into the web page. But when I go to print, I can't print it. You see, I don't want to be in position to print this content. I don't want anyone to be in position to print. What if it is format of information I don't want one person to print? There's many ways that you can do it. You can use jQuery, you can use Ajax, you can use you can use CSS itself, you can use JavaScript itself. So this time around, I'm just going to be illustrating to you using CSS for the complete beginners. So I'm just going to create up inside my page here, and I create up something called style. Sorry, inside there I'm going to create up style. And when they say media, I don't want to say media screen. You get? I want to say media print, not media screen. It's the print that I want to disable. And then I'm going to simply say asterisk means everything inside this page display none. That implies by the time when someone goes to print, display none of all of this content in my page. Just that functionality. Asterisk means everything. I mean everything in this body. In the print function, when print is clicked, please disable everything. So that's it. So when I refresh, I go to print and I try this. Pop. Wow, that's good. So I think you can see we can print nothing. We are printing nothing in the screen. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how do we disable a PDF information from being printed up in the page. So I'll be showing you guys, working with you guys on doing those things with me practically. So I hope you guys will love this video. I hope it was self-explanatory. I hope you love it. And maybe to illustrate with this for the last time as I'm ending up, I said this simply media, not screen. I want to complete media, everything inside this page, which I know someone is likely to print. I want to be disabled. 2, I don't want anything there to be printed. So I do something called display none. If I remove that asterisk and I try to refresh this page again and I go back and I say print, because I remove the word asterisk, I will get the content back, which is not what we want. So what do? We put asterisk there or the multiplication sign there to say actually I don't want anything in this page to be printed, and when I do that, I just get just that. So otherwise guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you love it. If you find it interesting, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it to your friends, and actually like it. Thank you.